guys, Leia here. Hope you guys are well wherever you are. First of all, it's about, what time is it? It's about 10:18. So I'm just gonna clean up a little bit, make some coffee. I've kind of made a mess over the past couple of days. Just shooting and just creative juices flowing. So I'm just gonna clean up a little bit because it looks a mess to me. I'm gonna shower, get ready, figure out what I'm gonna wear today because we are going to the beach, I believe. Eric is out, he had a shoot. He'll be back soon. Yeah, so come watch me clean up. All right, so as you can see, I'm all showered and dressed, and we are about to head out to the beach. It's so nice out. I'm so glad that I'm able to go and take advantage of this. So yeah, we're gonna go shoot and just chill out and enjoy the weather. We made it to the beach / park woods. Yeah. And there's a lot of people here, and I'm excited to see people that I don't know. Really excited to shoot. Say hey, Eric.
It was good.
After a long walk, we made it. This isn't the beach part. I decided I'm not gonna go down to the beach part because I have Doc Martens on, and it's probably not a good idea. But yeah, look how beautiful this is. This is where we're gonna shoot pretty much. And just vibe out and chill. It's really nice, it's really big. There's a lot of people here, you can probably hear them in the background, but yeah. If you have some time, you should come. This is Rosie Mound Natural Area, right? Yeah, Rosie Mound Natural Area. It's really nice. Definitely encourage you to go for a walk. Definitely don't come in Doc Martens, come in like some workout stuff. So.
Got a Gucci.
Yeah, Eric has Patagonia
Gotta rock the
with the Chacos.
Gucci on the Patagonia with the Chacos. Sockos. I do my socks on the day.
Yeah. I always love days like this where we can just go shoot because it's like bonding for Eric and I. It's cool. We have long conversations, and it's also pulling me out of my comfort zone to do things that I wouldn't have always done, and it helps build my confidence. So I love when we're able to shoot and just spend time shooting, and we like to travel and just see new scenery and find new cool spots. We also go to these spots for other people, not just for me, but we go to test it out because we might have to do an engagement shoot, and we're like, we know the perfect spot. So
we learn stuff here that we later are able to get paid to do, which is cool. But today, it's just for fun, not money, no business, just for fun.
Yeah. I first heard about this spot when Eric and I came here for 4th of July, which was super cool. We didn't want to go to a super crowded beach, This isn't too far from the beach. Actually, you can see the pier over there. But I had forgot about it until I needed to find a spot for a shoot, and I kind of went on Instagram and typed up something in the search. I'm out of breath. I typed up some type of hashtag in the search thing, and I came across this spot. So use Instagram because it'll help you find spots to shoot at. If you're looking for a barn, probably type in Michigan barn, and you'll find some really cool spots. So that's kind of how I came back across this spot. So pretty. And I don't know if you guys can see the pier, but Eric, what beach is this across over there? What pier is that? I don't know which one it is.
That is,
Let's see if you can see.
right.
That's Grand Haven right here. The beach. So it's kind of connected, but not really. Yeah. And so we were down here for 4th of July. We're not going to go down there today, like I said, because of my boots. But yeah, you see people out there playing. I think we're pretty much done shooting. It was pretty fun and pretty to see the view. I think we're gonna go get slushies now. And then we're gonna go home. Yeah, probably chill out, do some editing. Probably gonna eat my leftover not Chick-fil-A, but Chipotle. And tonight is Station 19 night, so that's usually our thing on Thursdays. We watch stuff every night together sometimes, but tonight we're watching Station 19. It's one of our favorite shows right now.
It is lit.
Yeah, so what's up? So as you can see, I am back home. I just whipped up some burgers, as you can see. Got some turkey burgers happening, and then I got some french fries in the oven too. So yeah, that's what we're eating tonight. So yeah, I think I'm gonna close out of this vlog. Thanks for coming with me today. It wasn't too much happening, but quarantine does that. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Yeah, have a good day.